we are in Photoshop. I will apply the pattern stamp over that area. So there is another design. We have to explore the motions and a paint there. So we will make the changes there. Let's narrow our shape. Change the hairstyle. I will use an eraser tool.